Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going on a late season deer hunt here in South Georgia. We only have 5 days left of the season. I haven't shot any this year. My son, he's killed 3. I haven't even been out here in probably a month. So we're coming out here today. Maybe we'll see something. I'm hoping we'll at least see a doe to take. I'm not against shooting a doe, and of course I'll shoot a buck, a decent buck if I see one. But we do need to kill one before the season's over. We don't have much time. So let's go. Let's see what we can see. All right, guys, we're here in the stand. It's kind of late. It's a little after 4 o'clock, so hopefully we didn't get here too late to scare any deer off. There's the food plot I'm going to be overlooking. So it's about 4:30. We haven't seen anything here yet. We've been here about 30 minutes. At my other spot, my cellular camera sent a picture of several does. Hopefully they'll come out here soon. Just had several does come out. I got 3 out there now. One of them looks halfway decent. Well, we're going to wait and see if any more comes out. Man, there's another deer coming out. So we got 5 does out in front of us. One of them looks pretty decent, so we'll try to get a shot on her here in just a second. All right, guys, so we just got a shot on a decent sized doe, looks like. She didn't run any at all. When we shot her, she fell down right there in the food plot. So we'll get down here in just a second and get her. All right, guys, there she is. I'm excited to have her down. I thought she was a little bit bigger when I shot her, but she's still a decent doe. I'm just thankful to have her. All right, guys, we got her strapped down on the Jeep. About to take her home and get her cleaned up and take her to the processor tomorrow. I appreciate y'all watching. If you will, like and subscribe. Until next time.